Hey y'all. So this is my Chapter 5 reflection discussion slide by me, Justin Woodall. Okay, so first we've got proximity. This is all from Gestalt's laws. So when different elements are laid out, they are perceived to be belonging to the same group. So here you see, like for the IBM logo here, you've got the different lines, but our eye won't let us see the lines because it knows that there's letters in there. So we can see the I, the B, and the M, and we know that that represents that logo. Just like here for the Adidas, the tri-leaf here, you've got the three lines that's interrupting the leaves, but you see the logo, you don't need to see the word Adidas underneath it, you know what it is. And then here I chose this image because you've got the different squares falling off here, but it's creating what looks to me like an F. But still, our eyes won't let us see just the squares or just the lines. It's going to see what the object is creating. So next is similarity. Objects with shared visual characteristics are automatically taken to be related. So here we've got, I think this is the Airbnb logo. And they're similar on both sides, as well as like here for the Gucci symbol, it's the two G's, and the Chanel symbol, the two C's back to back. And then like the beats, you see, they're similar to, like, if you colored the white in and put black, or you'd still see the B. And then the two G's, they're just flipped, is all it is. Alright, next we have continuity. Elements which are aligned with each other are perceived as visually associated. So, like here in this logo, it's the business continuity logo, and you see it just keeps going on and on. It takes your eyes with it. So you'll say business, and then you go over continuity. Of course, if you follow it, you'd be reading continuity backwards, but you know what it is. Your eyes will adjust and let you know. And like Amazon, underneath it's the Amazon smile. Everybody knows this logo. And the arrow keeps you almost in like a circular motion. And then also for like Coca-Cola, their logo, the C comes out and just kind of guides your eye all the way through the full name, as well as this C. And then, it just kind of takes you back. Alright, and lastly we have closure. So reflection or closure refers to making something concrete, bringing something into the being, or making something real. So, like in this image, you see we've got three lines and then these shapes here and this one here, but it's all creating the front of an airplane. And then like the NBC logo, I know it's like growing up as a kid when you'd see it on TV, I did anyways, you'd see the different colors and you're like, oh, well, that reminds me of feathers, especially once you see this little design that's etched in the middle there. And you're like, that looks like a bird to me. And then actually it's representing like this peacock over here. So I thought that was pretty cool. And like here, the hearts, it's got the different shapes, but it's creating the heart, as well as like for the arrows. You see it's a circle, but the arrows are still inside. Alright, well I think that concludes this, so thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed.